Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine this. You walk into your home after a long day, juggling kids, pets, and that Amazon box you swore you'd return last week. And instead of dreading sticky floors or runaway dust bunnies, you find spotless, fresh-smelling floors. That's the moment when you realize your cleaning game just leveled up. And yes, it's all thanks to the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller Robot Vacuum. Oh, and before I forget, if you want the full detailed article with every single feature breakdown, you'll find the link right down in the description and in the first comment. Now let's dive in, and I promise you will want to stick around because this little machine is not just a vacuum, it is a lifestyle upgrade. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another robot vacuum? Don't they all just bump around, make noise, and spread spills? That's where the DREAME Aqua10 flips the script. Unlike those disc-style mop bots that smear your orange juice spill into an abstract art piece, this one actually absorbs it. Think less finger painting on your hardwood floors, more actual cleaning. The roller brush here isn't just about scrubbing, it's about wet suction power. It literally drinks up the mess, getting you closer to the results of a professional hard floor cleaner without the back-breaking scrubbing sessions. When I first set it up, it was almost laughably easy. Plug in, connect the app, and bam. It's already building a smart map of my home. And let me tell you, the mapping system is scary smart. It recognizes rugs, identifies obstacles like stray toys or laundry baskets, and even knows when to crank up suction. In my home, with a toddler, a baby, and a dog that believes shedding is his full-time job, that feature is a lifesaver. I've had vacuums before that treat rugs like speed bumps, but the DREAME Aqua10 glides over them and even boosts power on the fly. That's AI navigation at work. And speaking of the app, oh, the app! If you love tweaking things, you're going to geek out. You can control suction levels, mop intensity, set quiet hours so it doesn't decide to sing to you at midnight, and even tell it whether to use soap or just water. It's like having a customizable cleaning assistant right in your pocket. In fact, I spent a couple of weeks optimizing settings for each room, and now it feels like the robot actually knows me. Plus, I can invite family members into the app so they can start a cleaning session without begging me first. Total mom win. Let's talk about maintenance, because nobody buys a robot vacuum just to babysit it. The Aqua10 comes with a dock station that's basically a cleaning butler. It empties dust, refills fresh water, drains dirty water, and even hot air dries the mop. The ever-fresh water system means your mop pad is always rinsed with clean water, so you're not spreading yesterday's spaghetti sauce around. And the fluff roll technology? Genius. It keeps the roller clean and tangle-free, even with pet hair. I've literally had zero tangling so far, and that alone is worth the price of admission. Now, is it perfect? No robot is. The water tanks could be bigger. You'll refill them more often than you might like. And here's a heads up. The mop pad washing process takes time. If you're bad at planning like I am, you'll notice it washes before and after every mop session. That means if you send it to clean your kitchen and then suddenly remember the living room, you'll get up to 10 minutes of mop pad cleaning in between. Slightly annoying, but also kind of reassuring, because hey, no one wants last night's dog accident smeared across the hallway. Let's not skip over the voice control, because yes, yelling "OK Dream" feels futuristic, but sometimes it's easier just to grab your phone. Still, when Ivy got my hands full with a baby on one hip and a coffee in the other, I've used it more than once. Plus, the built-in camera features mean you can literally see what the robot sees, which feels equal parts useful and slightly sci-fi. Performance-wise, this machine is a beast. Strong suction for dust, crumbs, and pet hair, no tangling, and the roller brush makes it shine at real-world messes. The intelligent navigation hugs edges, climbs over transitions between tile and hardwood, and steers clear of cables and small obstacles. My floors? They've never looked this fresh, even compared to traditional mop and bucket sessions. And the pet deodorizer function? My house smells cleaner too. Small but mighty bonus. Now, let me highlight the real problem-solving magic. If you're tired of constantly scrubbing dried up spills, if you're battling pet hair daily, or if you just don't have the time to maintain clean floors with kids and clutter, this robot vacuum is your new best friend. It's not just about cleaning. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and honestly, your sanity. And while the docking station isn't small, you will need a bit of space. It is a fair trade for how much manual labor it saves you. So, is the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller Robot Vacuum worth it? For me, absolutely. It's an intelligent, hands-free, wet and dry cleaning powerhouse that adapts to your lifestyle. It solves problems you didn't even know you had, from pet hair tangles to sticky juice spills, all while letting you sit back and actually enjoy your home. And trust me, once you experience floors this clean without lifting a finger, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you want to geek out on the full breakdown, remember, the detailed article is waiting in the description and in the first comment. Go check it out. And if you're ready to stop scrubbing floors and start enjoying spotless ones, the DREAME Aqua10 might just be the smartest upgrade you make this year.